Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain Databricks in a very simple way. What Databricks is, why it is used, and what you should understand before starting Databricks projects. This video is especially for beginners who feel confused when they hear terms like Spark, Cluster, Delta Lake, or pipelines. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step using a simple whiteboard without any complex coding. So, if you're new to Databricks, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start by understanding the problem that existed before Databricks. So here, before Databricks, this is how data teams usually worked. Each data engineering team had its own data projects. Each team built its own data pipeline, and in each pipeline stored data in its own database. Now imagine a company with many teams, the same work is repeated again and again. This leads to a data duplication, higher cost, slow development, and maintenance problem. Managing data becomes very difficult as the system grows. So, what's the solution for it? To solve the problem, Databricks was created. Instead of every team building separate pipelines and database, everything comes to one central platform named Databricks. It is built on top of Apache Spark, which allows it to process large amount of data very fast. This makes data work simpler, faster, and more scalable. Now let's understand what Databricks actually is and how it works. So, first, the data comes from different data sources. Then these data sources can be file, database, or cloud storage. This data then enters to Databricks workspace. Then the workspace is where the data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists do their work. Inside Databricks, Apache Spark processes the data. Spark is the compute engine that performs transformation, joins, and calculation on large data. After processing, the data is stored in Delta Lake. Delta Lake provides data reliability using features like versioning and time travel. Finally, this processed data is used for analytics, dashboard, and reports. Next, now let's look at the main tool inside the Databricks. Notebooks are where we write code. In Databricks notebooks, we can use SQL, Python. Next, clusters. Clusters are the machines that actually run the code. A cluster has one driver node and multiple worker nodes. Workflows are used to automate the task. They help us schedule and manage data pipeline. So now next is how Databricks projects work. Almost every Databricks project follows the same basic flow. First, we take the raw data. Next, we transform the data. After that, we store the data. Finally, we analyze the data to get the business insight. This structure remains the same for most Databricks projects. So, what you should know before projects. Before starting Databricks project, there are few important concepts you should understand. You should understand Apache Spark concept, you should know basics of SQL, and you should be familiar with the Databricks workspace. Once these basics are clear, Databricks projects become much easier. So, at last, this video was meant to give you a clear understanding of Databricks before jumping into projects. So in the next video, we will go deeper into Databricks concepts step by step. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment Databricks below. Thank you for watching.